Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the solution of x. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 4, we can write into 2 to the power of 2. Next, 2 to the power of plus 1 in here. We can put number 2 in here. Next, number 2 in here, we can put in here. Now, I will put about 2 to the power of s equals to t. So, this one, we have t to the power of 2. This one we change for t, so we have 2t. And now we can find the solution of this one. So we find the solution of t. In this one, we will have t equals to number 3 and t equals to negative number 1. So we have 2 to the power of s. We put in here and here. We know that in this situation, we just accept about positive number because we want to find about the real number. So we just have this one left. And later that we put about natural log for the both sides. So we have s ln number 2 equals to ln number 3. And we divide both sides by ln number 2. And we have ln number 3 over ln number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.